Hey everybody, welcome to the channel RV'n and ATV'n, and I'm Dave. This is part 3 of our Hatfield McCoy Trails adventure in beautiful West Virginia. Today we spotlight our ride on the Buffalo Mountain Trails. Buffalo Mountain connects to the Rock House and Devil Anse trail systems, offering up over 300 miles of trails and 3 community connectors to the ATV-friendly towns of Matewan, Delbarton, and Williamson, West Virginia. Also, it's known as the most historic trail system. Now, let's hit the trails. We got a little later start from camp, so we decided to take the highway to the trailhead. Our neighbors at the Twin Hollow told us they found these trails a little rougher than Rock House and Devil Anse. We had to agree once we got into it. There are difficult ratings as with all trails, and with the hounds, we try to stay on the easiest. But honestly, some of the green trails, they seem like some of the blue trails. After a couple of hours, we decided to go check out the Almost Heaven Swing in Williamson. If you ride Buffalo Mountain, you definitely need to check it out. Not only is the swing pretty cool, but there was a great view overlooking Williamson. We left the swing and made the ride into Williamson. The town is ATV friendly, and we stopped for dinner at Three Guys Pizza. They were dog friendly and the pizza was outstanding. After dinner, we started to make our way back to camp. Along the way, we came up to a fork in the trail. Then we rode up to a couple of other interesting things. You don't see that every day on the trail. We stopped and let the dogs do a little exploring too. We made our way back to Old Route 52 and rode the trail along the highway, when all of a sudden we came up to a bear running on the trail. We slowed down to give it some space, and she finally went into the trees. We left the bear, and for 20 miles or so, we took the highway to the winding road. After a full day of riding, we finally made it back to camp. That's part 3, riding the Buffalo Mountain Trail System. Even though we ran across some rougher trails, we really enjoyed it. And spotting the bear was pretty cool too. We can't wait to go back to West Virginia and ride Hatfield McCoy's other trail systems. So how do we rate the Buffalo Mountain Trail System? Well, we're going to give it 2 tired white dogs, a swing with a view, and a big old black bear just for fun. I'm Dave, and for Sharon, Mo, and Charlie, thanks for watching.